Hey ho my friends, Matthew here from the Medical Medium Way, and I'm excited because today we're going to do an unboxing of the Omega 900, the Medical Medium 900 HDS. Heavy duty stuff going on right here. This is the recommended Medical Medium juicer, Medical Medium approved. So let's take a look at what's inside. Packing list. Oh, look at this. That's nice. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Okay, this is the heavy one. This is going to be the base. So let's take a look at what's in here. Very nice packaging. Power cord. Oh, nice suction cups. Well, not actually suction cups, but nice rubber feet on the bottom there. That's very nice. Okay. So that's the base. It's got a handle here. That's nice. So you can lift it up, carry that around, move it around the kitchen. Let's see what's in here. MM900 HDS. Heavy duty stuff right there. Okay, here's a plunger. Let's get the plunger out. Plunger. Here's a cleaning brush. Very nice. Okay, what else? The tray. Wow, that's a big tray. Much bigger than the ACOC juicer. Nice big tray. The juice catching bowls. That's probably for the pulp. That's probably for the juice. Well, maybe not. Maybe that's for the juice. Look at that. That goes right there. That must be for the pulp. Okay, here's the chute. Nothing there. Here's the end cap. And what's nice about the end cap is I believe that you can adjust it so that it will do a really good job of extracting all of the juice out of the celery, or if you're going to juice something else that doesn't need to be quite so dry, you can adjust that. Here is the, let's open this up and see. Okay, there's, okay, we got two different caps here. I'll have to read the instructions about these, but we got 2 caps and then an end cap. And here's the chute, the auger. Oh, that's interesting. A lot of ridges on there. Oh, another filter on the bottom. Look at that. That'll catch even more pulp, rather than having the pulp end up in your juice. That's nice. You see that extra screen? Wow, this is all one unit. That's the screen. Fascinating. Okay, so for the Omega, we have the plunger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts. You may not use all of them. And let's see if I can put it back together. There's the auger. Here's the filter. Here's the cap on there. This is going to go in here, I suppose. Maybe not. Maybe that's for the other one. Alright, I have to read the directions on that. This will go here. And there's an open and close adjustment here. Open. Close. Okay, that's how that works. Well, can't wait to try this and see what celery juice is like out of the Omega 900, the medical medium recommended juicer. Really excited to try this. And I'll do another video on how this juices, and I'll do a comparison between the Omega 900 and the ACOC juicer. And we'll see what kind of juice we get out of each unit. So thanks for watching The Medical Medium Way, where I help those with chronic illness by sharing the powerful medical scripture brought to us by Anthony William, the medical medium. I'm healing, and so can you.